Navigate yourself through the nuances of wisdom, because out of every pile of your ashes a phoenix will arise. Subscribe for more wisdom-filled encouragement on YouTube at Wisdom in Grey. Stay tuned, your Fierce Grace podcast is coming soon.